Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order products online from Costco. So first of all, you need to come here on costco.com, then sign in into your account. Now over here, you need to use the search bar in order to find the product that you want, or you can also browse through the different categories and the product is available on the website itself. So you need to simply just select the product you are interested in. Then you can just simply see the details, like you can view the pricing, the specifications, the availability, and the delivery information. So you need to select any of the required options such as the size or the color. Then in the right hand section, you will be shown the option of add to cart. So you need to simply just click on the option of add to cart. So when you are basically finished with it, you just have to click on the option of continue shopping, or you can also select the option of checkout. Now over here, when you are on the checkout page, you need to enter or confirm your shipping address. You need to also choose the available delivery option. You need to then add the payment method, review the order total, and then simply select the option of place order. So this way you will be able to purchase online from Costco. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.